Hello loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRuvie. If you're new, my name is Ruby. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you are into DIY fashion, recreating fashion, anything to do with a sewing machine. So in today's video, I'm kind of excited because I have never worked with crochet stuff. Because in this video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be turning a crochet blanket into a cute cardigan. Yeah, this is the blanket that I got. This is the blanket, and I really liked. Again, I was not a fan of the green, but I had no choice. This was the only beautiful looking one that I had to get. So I thrifted this blanket, right? Because I don't know how to crochet. And it's very time consuming. I don't like things that take so much time. Usually when I sew something, max 3 days, I better be finished because I'll start to get annoyed and bored. But anyway, this is what we're gonna be doing. Let's get into the video. I haven't even really checked.
Today's project, we're going to be using this jersey for our measurements. It's loose fitting, that's why I wanted to use it, and I want the cardigan to be a bit loose on me so I can layer inside it as well. And so for the measurement here, I'm just trying to figure out how big I want it to be. So I decided on 4 squares going down and 4 squares going to the right, 4 by 4, and then I'm going to undo the bottom squares first. So I was just trying to not mess up the pattern of the crocheted parts and tried my best to remove the interlocking threads between the squares as best as I could to not damage the pattern on the rest of the thing. Here I'm trying to give you guys a closer view of what exactly I was doing. Hopefully you can see this clearly. This is the back piece of the cardigan, and I'm pulling out the thread that was left when I was removing the other parts of it. If there's any thread that are looking like it's going to unravel, just make a knot on it. I'm also going to be using a lighter to just burn on the little tiny ones so that they don't keep unveiling. Please make sure you do not burn anything. Like, be very careful, otherwise you'll burn the whole thing. I am left with the other square, and I'm gonna cut it in half. This is going to be for the front pieces, and I want the finishing of the ends of the blanket to be meeting each other in the middle where it's going to be open. So I'm going to take the other part that I'm going to use for the arms to just get the same part as the one on the right. For the arms, I'm going to be using 4 by 3 squares because that's literally all the material I had left, honestly. And then for the other part that I had removed, the square, I'm going to just sew it back and make sure I have 3 as well for the other arm. Now we're going to be assembling the cardigan. We have the back side right side facing up, and then we're gonna put the front parts right side facing down, and then we're going to sew at the top. This is going to be where shoulders are going to be. That's where we're gonna sew. For the arms, we're going to flip the front part of the cardigan to the back, since we only sewed where the shoulder part is going to be, and then we're going to put our arm on top. I folded it first so that I can put the half of the top exactly on the mark where I had sewed before. After that, it should be looking like this, and then we're gonna do the same for the opposite side. Here you can see clearly. So sorry for the last clip where my head was in the whole thing. Now that we've sewn the arms on, we're going to flip the cardigan back, and it's going to be in the inside of the cardigan, and then we're going to line it up and sew from the side of the cardigan to the ends of the arms of the cardigan. Then we flip it inside out and we are done. This is how it's looking. You can decide to fold the little parts in front of the cardigan if you want to, or you can lay them straight. I'm trying it on. I actually really like how it came out, but as I was trying this on, my mom was like, you just made an old lady kind of jacket. So we're going to style this, so in case anybody doesn't see the vision, they'll see the vision in the styling. I was also trying to figure out if I wanted the sleeves to be really long or if they wanted to be shorter, but I just ended up leaving them long. If I want them short, I'll just fold them in. If I want them long, I'll just lift them up. I like the longer sleeves better. What do you guys think?
This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do rate what you think of this little cardigan in the comment section. Don't forget to share to your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't. But I don't. Why haven't you subscribed? Yeah. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.